বিসমিল্লাহির রহমানির রাহিম। আসসালামু আলাইকুম সবাইকে। হোপ you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today my favorite poet Kazi Nazrul Islam's birthday. Kazi Nazrul Islam is known as the father of rebels poet in Bangla literature. Kazi Nazrul Islam was born in 1899 on 24th May on this day, and he was died in 1976 on 29 August. Kazi Nazrul Islam is one of the best poet in Bangla history. He has many kinds of works such as novels, short story, and many ghazals and songs. He has one of the best novels in our Bangla literature. Bidrohi is one of the best poet in Kazi Nazrul Islam's poet. On this day, I thanked him because of his literature works in our Bangla history. I love him so much because he is one of my favorite poet as a rebels poet. Hope you are all loves him so much because he is our national poet. Love you everyone, and stay with me and support me please. Assalamu alaikum.